We've all been there, cramming for the exam. Hours and hours and hours go by, and the stomach starts growling. And you've only got 20 minutes till the next class. You look to the pantry. There's ramen noodles. They're fast cooking. They certainly fill us up. But how can we take the level of flavor up several notches? By turning the ramen noodles into spicy sesame noodles, which is my struggle version of Dan noodles. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals. The water is the slowest thing here, so you gotta start with the water. Time management. You put the water in the thing, you put it on full blast, you put the top on so that it boils even faster. We gotta move at the speed of lickety-split. Quick, we're gonna prep some veggies. We've got some scallions. It's always nice to have something a little fresh, right? Let's just chop up our scallion real quick. Look, I found some carrots. And if you've got a box grater, just go on the fat side. And this is a really easy way to get your beta carotene. Wow. You know, it's important to eat your vegetables even when you're in a hurry, and that's why I like spinach. It's pre-washed and it sautés up in like 2 seconds. A little bit of oil into a pan. Oh, happy or stressed face? I don't know. All right, let's get our spinach in. Salt, pepper, it cooks down to nothing. Overload that pan. Before you know it, that was like 2 seconds. Whew. All right, the water is boiling. Let's get our ramen noodles in there. There are 2 really great things about ramen, and one is that they cook way faster than pasta. I'm talking 3 minutes. The other one, super cheap. Noodles going in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Forgot to tell you all, I'm actually in architecture school, and I'm gonna make this fit. All right, just pan away from this for a second. Free flavor. This should be deposited in your packet drawer for future use. Instant broth. Cha-ching! The account balance just went up. All right, we're gonna make a quick sauce. This is what's gonna take it up those extra notches. I think I've got just the things I need in my pantry. We're gonna start with tahini. This is gonna give us a creamy and amazing flavor. This is sesame seeds ground into a paste. You could do almond butter, you could do peanut butter. It's gonna be a totally different thing, but if that's what you got, use it. We gotta add some flavor here. Vinegar, any kind, but rice wine is ideal. You gotta get that zing. 1, 2. Coming in with some soy sauce. I like using the caps as measuring utensils. I think it's great. Okay. We need some sweetness from the packet drawer. Honey packets. Beautiful. Great. This is gonna create a nice emulsification. So listen, this is nice and thick. It's looking great, but we're gonna add a little bit of water just to thin it out so it coats each noodle perfectly and evenly. So a little bit of water, a little bit of water. And of course, we can adjust for thickness after the noodles are in. The noodles have been cooking for 2 minutes. Now's the perfect time for us to literally wake up some edamame from the freezer. We can just add it right in the last minute of cooking. Boom. No need to get a second pot. Just warm it up. Just like that. My noodles are done. Let's get this into the sauce while they're hot. Come. Come. We want to drain as much water as possible. If the whole thing becomes too thick, we can just add our fresh water. Here we go. Boom. With the edamame. You gotta love it. 2 for 1. Let's get some spinach in there. All right, we're mixing bottom to top. Bottom to top. And the noodles should just soak up that amazing tahini sauce we just made. And they are gorgeous. Let's get our carrots in there. Let's get our scallions in there. You know, to get some extra freshness, we can put cilantro on this, but you shouldn't go buy a pack of cilantro. You should buy a cilantro plant so that you buy it once and it keeps giving you delicious free herbs. Thank you so much for growing. How did you do it? Photosynthesis and a little bit of delicious noodles. I'm just gonna tear it with my hands. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Oh, I love it. I love the cilantro. Okay, so look. You see how thick this has gotten? I want this to be creamy. This is not creamy. So we're gonna add a little more water. Thin it out. There we go. I'm gonna hit it with a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Very creamy. Let's get some of these noodles. Yes. Come to Papa. This smells amazing. We cooked it in under 15 minutes. I'm gonna top it with this chili crisp, which is something that I make homemade. I always have on hand, and it brings everything up a notch. It's particularly good in this dish. You have the option of just having the oil or getting some of the crisp. I'm a fan of the crisp. So, I'm gonna sprinkle the crisp. Oh, yes. And then put a little extra oil. Oh, the aroma is intoxicating. And maybe a little more chili too. Amazing! This came together really, really quickly. I've got a few minutes to savor every single bite before my next class, and it's only $1.63. Let's dig into it. Here we go. Got some chili crisp, get some noodles happening. I'm gonna twirl, 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 and boom, there it is. Oh. Oh, yes. What makes this dish amazing is not only that it took less than 15 minutes, it's that creamy tahini sauce that we built so quickly. It's coating every single noodle, and it's giving me this richness that makes me feel satiated, and I love it. And then you get the bam bam of the ginger and the garlic and that chili crisp. Man, that takes it up a notch. If you're anything like me, you've always got ramen noodles on hand, so they're the perfect staple ingredient to start with. And then all we need is some pantry staples to make sauce that takes this up several notches. We end up with a creamy and fantastic dish, comes together in under 15 minutes, and it's nourishing us. It's providing like really good nutrition. From ramen noodles, is that possible? Yeah, you saw it here.